Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and to this video I'm going to show you on how to simply secure your Firefox browser in mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are according to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to head over to your Firefox browser. So I'm going to simply click on here to open up my Firefox browser. Then have to open up your Firefox browser. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. I take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply go to settings. Then it's going to take you right here. Then you have to simply scroll down all the way down until you get to HTTPS mode only. Click on that. Then the next thing you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Enable all tab, enable only in private tab. Make sure you enable all tabs. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how best to secure your Firefox browser in your mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.